Alright, let's do this. Light check, mic check, camera on. Hey everyone, I'm Khan. This video will be the introduction of my YouTube channel. I wanted to make this video so you guys would know what to expect on this video channel. It's literally the first video I ever recorded using my camera, my mic and a softbox. Okay, let's get to the point right now. There are several reasons why I wanted to start this YouTube channel. The first one is I wanted to push myself to start filming and editing video. This is something that I've wanted to do for a while, but I was focusing on improving my photography first. And I never really took the time to start with video, to be honest. But hey, here we are, finally doing it. Another important reason for starting this YouTube channel is that I wanted to document my journey as a creative. I think I've come a long way since I bought my first DSLR. That was back in August 2019, I think, but I've got still so much to learn. But hey, here we are, finally doing it. I want to create a community in which we can learn from each other. Another thing that I'm gonna be talking about is gear, because to be honest, I'm quite a gearhead. I really like all the technical aspects of gear. I can't stop looking at review videos myself, and I'm going to try to make honest, unbiased reviews on gear that I use myself, so that you guys can put some new things on your wish list, so that your mother or your girlfriend could buy it for you for Christmas. And for some of you who were wondering, I'm still not a full-time photographer or a creator myself yet. I still work as an online marketeer and I'm trying to grow my social media channel myself. So I will share with you some tips and tricks on how to grow on social media, but also some traps to avoid when trying to grow on social media. And maybe the most important thing of all, I want to motivate you guys to do what you love and pursue your dreams to become a creator. But I also want to have real talk on the bad experiences I've had before and how you can deal with them. Alright guys, that's it from me today. My first YouTube video ever. Would have thought that I would be going on YouTube. I know this was not the most entertaining video, but more valuable content will come, I promise. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see my journey in growing as a creator and teaching you how to do the same. My dog's here to say hi. And what did you think of this video? Was it good? Was it bad? Or was it alright? Comment down below. It's literally first time. It's literally my first video I ever recorded using it. It's literally my first video ever.